Okay, I'm back. And before we look at how to identify minerals, let's finish this up and talk about what is the abundance of the different kinds of minerals in the crust. And if you recall, we said which class of minerals is the most abundant. It's the one that has the silicon and the oxygen, so those were the silicate minerals. But there's a whole bunch of silicate minerals. So which one of the silicate minerals is the most abundant? Okay, it's the feldspars, which we will look at in lab, but you've got potassium feldspar, and then you also have sodium calcium feldspar, and so they make up a great deal of the minerals found in the earth. And then quartz is also very important, and then pyroxene and mica, and then amphibole. So all of those are silicate minerals. So if you're to add all of that together, you end up with that like 90% that it's composed of. But then you see that there are other minerals as well in the earth. All right, now this last thing here, don't panic. I'm just showing you that these are a way of identifying minerals, and it has a very systematic way of doing it. So if you want, you can enlarge the picture so that you can see this. But notice that there's a very few things that we actually use in order to identify a mineral. So one is going to be, for example, the color. Is it a light colored mineral or is it a dark colored mineral? Another one is going to be the luster. So is it shiny like a mirror or is it not shiny like a mirror? Another one is going to be the cleavage. So does it have cleavage planes? And if so, what do they look like? Another one is going to be hardness. So by using just a few of these properties of minerals, we can narrow down exactly what kind of a mineral it is. So here's a chart for you, and then here is another chart that goes with it, and here is the third chart that goes with it. So in lab, you will have an opportunity to see all of these different minerals, and you'll have the opportunity to scratch them on things to determine their hardness, look at how shiny they are, look at their color, do they react to acid, are they magnetic? So by using all of these different criteria, we can identify minerals. All right, so one more. So let's come back and let's take a quiz over all of this material.